Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 8. Hope you all are fine and safe. Did you study the important things that I have discussed in the last class? I hope it is so, and I hope it is clear to all of you. So just we will go through that. Okay, just we will memorize the important things that we have discussed previously. What was that? We have started our second chapter. The chapter name is setting the page, and in that chapter just we will we remind the important topics that we have studied in the last year. What was that? We the chapter 1, when a letter reaches the computer, and the third chapter, can you type amma in the computer. So according to that chapters, the same continuation is coming in this chapter also, that I have already told. And from that chapters we have just to remind about the compound letters and chillaksharangal. We already know how to write these letters, and also I give an example of two type of pages, a formatted page and an unformatted page, and also we saw the differences between that two pages. What was the difference? The in the formatted page you can see the font family is changed, font size is changed, background color is given. Okay, and also we discussed about the superscript and subscript. If you want to write a chemical reactions or a mathematical formulas, we can write the text in a correct format. That means we can give a square like a superscript, and for making the letter down we can use the subscript also. So that also you have studied. So I think you are thorough with all these steps. So in this session we will be studying about the 4 activities. I will be discussing 4 activities, and the first one is let's lay out the page. It's regarding the page, how to make the page more beautiful. The second one is to give the borders. Third one for inserting the header and footer, and the fourth activity is of arranging arrange the page in the columns, the contents, how to arrange the contents in 2 columns. Okay, so that we will be discussing in this session. Okay, so before that, the most common thing that we have to keep in mind is, in this chapter we will be discussing how we can make a page more attractive. Okay, how we can set the page more attractive. So just have a look. So for that, in the school resource folder itself, you will be having a cherukada.odt. A file is there of cherukada.odt. So we are making the changes for that. Cherukada or short story. Okay. Short story.odt. I am opening that. You can see here a unformatted page of a short story. So we have to make changes. Okay. So for that, first thing we have to know the features of the page. Okay, so for that, go to the format menu. In the format menu, take the option page. You will be getting an option page style. A window will be opening. Go to the tab page. Here you can see the margins. Already the margins is set by default 2 cm. So there is no need of changing the margin. Again go to the paper format. In the paper format option, already the template is of A4 size. So no need of changing that also. Here you can see the orientation. Orientation is in the they have chosen this portrait option. If it is of landscape, you can see the page in this form, in this way, and if it is in the portrait, you can see here. Normally we are using the option portrait. Okay, and there is no need of no changes are applied here, so no need of clicking on apply. Again we are going to the tab area. If I want to give a background color to the to my page, I can do that also. So for giving the background color, you can choose the color option. In the color option, I am giving a light background like a yellow color, like that I am giving, and click on apply, click on OK. So now you can see the page over here, and the background color is of yellow color. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. If you want to add another background image, that is also possible here. If I by not giving the color, if a background image is if we want to set a background image, that is also possible here, but that is optional. In the format menu itself, go to the option page. Here in area you can see an option bitmap. Okay, so in the bitmap you can see a lot of bitmap pictures you can see here, or if you want to add from outside resources, that is also possible. So just for making just for making it is clear, I am selecting this option and I am clicking on apply. Click on OK. So now you can see that background images in the page. You can see the background image in the page. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you. So this is all about the first activity, the activity 2.2. Let's lay out the page. You can see, refer that activity and the steps in page number 22 and 23. Okay, and the second activity we are going to do is let's provide borders. How we can provide borders for the page. For that also we have to go to the same format menu, take the option page. So everything we are making the changes in this option only. The format menu, we have to select the page option. So I am clicking on the in this default style, page style window, I am clicking on borders. You can see the tab here. Here you can see 4 types. One is of no border. If I want to give full border, that there is also option. If I want to give only the left and right borders, that is there is also option, and only the top and bottom. And the next one is of a single border. So now I am choosing the whole 4 borders. Okay, so I have to select the second option, and if I want to give a shadow for the border, that is also possible. So I am giving the second, the cast shadow to the bottom right. So I am selecting that. Okay, just for showing only. Okay, if you wish, if you want only, you can do that. And if I want to increase the thickness of the border, I can select any of these options. So I am selecting this one, and if I want to change the border, change the color of the border, that is also possible here. You can opt here. I am taking the option red and click on apply. Click on OK. So now you can see. Now you can see the page border. It is of red color, and for the right border you can see the shadow also. So I hope it is clear to you. Okay, so this much is the second. This is activity 2.3. Let's provide borders. Okay, if you want to give, and in the format you can see the in the page option, again go to borders. You can see here an option padding. That means if you want to provide the space between border and the words, that is also possible here. If you want to make the changes in the left border, that also you can, here you can make the changes. Now it is already set by default, so no need of making the change. Okay, and the second, then the third activity 2.4 is let's insert. What was the third activity? Here you can see, let's insert header and footer. For the page, if you want to insert a header and footer, that is also possible here. How we can do that? In the same format menu, you can see you have to take the page option. In the page option you can see the tab header. Click on that first tick on the first box. You can see the header on, and apply. Click on apply. Okay, so now when you check here, you can see the header is possible. Header is already this header is header appeared here, sorry, appears here. Okay, and also if you want to in the header, if you can see in the textbook pages, you can see, if you see in your IT textbook also, you can see the page numbers over here. Either it is in the in down of like it is set in down of the page, or in the upper portion. So I am setting the page number in the upper portion. So how we can give the page number? Here you can see the cursor. So I am typing 1. So before that, this is the header. So before like instead of typing 1, there is an option, automatic option is there. For that, go to the insert menu. insert menu, go to field. In the field, click on the page number. So now you can see the page number 1 is occurred here. In this way, if I am dragging, you can see the second page number. For the second page, you can see the number 2, and for the third page, you can see the number 3. Here you can see the number 3, and the last pages of fourth page. I will be showing you. Just a second. Okay, for the fourth page, you can see the number 4. And also, if I want to write something on header, that is also possible. Okay, but here I am not writing anything, only the page number. I am writing only the page number. The next thing, that is all about the header. If you want to add the footer also that is also possible here. Again, go to the format menu. In the format menu, you can go to the page itself. Here you can see the option footer. Okay, click on the footer on, apply. Okay, so you can see the footer over here. When you click here, you can see the footer appears here. Here I am going to write this short story. Okay, I am going to write short story. Okay, so you can see this is reflected on all over the pages. You can see here. I'm taking the second page. You can see the short story. It is all, when we can write only the single time only. We can write this. All the other things will be reflected in the remaining pages. You can see the same thing is reflected. Okay. Go to the third page. You can see here short story in the footer, and the fourth page. Here also you can see the short story. Okay. And the next one is, and the next thing is, if I want to write in the first page, I am writing short story, and if I want to write in the second page, if I want to write the school name, like that. Alternatively, if I want to write in the first page short story, second page is the school name, third page again short story, fourth page again the school name, like that. Alternatively if I want to write the thing, that is also possible here. So for that, go to the format. I'm taking the first page here. Okay, this is the first page. Okay, and go to the format. In format, take same the page, take the option footer. In footer, we have to uncheck the second option, same content on left and right pages. Okay, so I am unchecking that, and click on apply, click on OK. So now here in the first page, it is of short story, and the second page I am making the change. I am writing instead of short story, I am writing the school. Okay, school name or whatever you want, you can write. I am writing just only school, like that I am writing. So now you can notice the change. Okay, so after that, again I am going to the third page. What will be on the third page? Same, the short story will be showing on the third page. Yeah, here you can see the short story, and here you can see the short story. So now you can check in the fourth page what will be there in the fourth page. Just a second. In the fourth page you can see school. Okay, if you check in the fifth page, again you can see the short story. If you check in the sixth page, you can see the school. So alternatively, you will be getting short story school, short story school, like that you will be getting. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. So with this much, our third activity is also completed, activity 2.4. Let's insert header and footer. And the fourth activity that we have to do is about, you all will be notice that in the textbook, the contents are arranged as two columns. Okay, you can see in the textbook also in the page number 24 and 25 that activity is describing. In the page number 25 figure 2.4 you can see a portion of ICT textbook. There you can refer how the contents are arranged. Okay, the contents are arranged as 2 columns. So that option is also available in the LibreOffice Writer. So that also I will be showing. So for that I am taking our Cherukada. And we have to do is go to the option format, go to take the option page. Here you can see the tab columns. Okay, here already it is set as 1 columns, so now I am increasing it as 2. Okay, so if this column number is increased, you can see the page will be look like in this format. Okay, I am selecting this options, 2 columns with equal size. Okay, or if I want to change the width and spacing, that is also possible, but it is already set by default, so I am not changing that. Click on apply, click on OK. So now you can see what was the change. What change you noticed? Did you notice any change? Yeah, you can see the contents, it is divided by 2 columns. Okay, you can see the 2 columns. Okay, so it will be more beautiful to see. Okay, if you want to make the change like that, it is also possible in the LibreOffice Writer. So this much I am discussing in the session. So just we will summarize that. So these all 3 activities we have done. All the things we have, the activities are related of setting the page. For all this, doing this all activities, we took the option from the format menu. We took the option page. Okay, and in the page option, after clicking on the option page, you will be getting a window. In that window, there are a lot of tabs of giving borders, area, then this page, and also columns. Okay, by taking each options, we made the page more beautiful. Okay, so in the first activity we done the page margin. We give how to provide the margin for a page, that is already set in that, so we didn't change that. And also paper format, we choose the A4 size format, it is also already set there. And the third one is we have given the orientation, either we can choose landscape or portrait. Okay, we choose what one we choose which one, portrait only. And the fourth one is of area. For what purpose is the area tab is used for giving the background color. And in that you can see a bitmap also. The option bitmap also is available if you want to import any picture from outside sources or any other background image, that is also available. So for that we have to choose the option bitmap under the area tab. And the another one is of borders. If I want to give borders, that is also possible in the page. So for that, click on the borders tab. There if you want to take the full border, that is also option. If you there is also option. And if you want to take the shadow for the border, that also you can opt. We can give color for the border. We can increase the width of the borders also. And the next one is of header and footer. How we can provide the header and footer for the page. So for that, in the same format menu, go to the page, click on the option header. For giving header, click on the option header. If you click on and if you apply it, you can see the header appears on the upper portion of the page. There you can set the page number. So for setting the page number, where you have to go in insert, in the fields you have to click on the page number, so you can see automatically the page numbers appears on each pages. And also in the footer option, the same way how the header how we took the option header, in the same way we have to choose footer also. In the footer, when we apply it on the page, you can see the footer. If you want to write the school name or this file name, that is also possible. Or if I want to change in the first page, if I want to write this file name, and the second page if I want to write the school name, that is also this possible in the footer section. So which option we have to select? For that we have to uncheck the option same content left and right pages. Under the footer, in the footer option, you can see same content left and right pages. We have to uncheck that option. So we will be getting in an alternative way, we will be getting the contents. And the last one is, if I want to write the contents in 2 columns, that is also available, that is also possible in the LibreOffice Writer. So for that, same format menu page, go to the tab columns, and by making the suitable changes, you can see it it is reflected on the page. Okay, so with this much I am winding up the session. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So study those activities in the page number, in the textbook. All the steps are clearly, it is shown in the textbook. So you have to mark all the points. Okay, by while watching the video itself, you have to after finishing each activity, you have to pause the video, mark down all the steps. Okay, so I am giving one homework also. The first question is, Meera wants to write the chemical formula CaCO3 in her chemistry project. What do we call the method by which the number 3 is arranged? It is related to our previous video, which I have already discussed there. What was the method? If I want to arrange CaCO3, here the 3 is arranged in a specific format. By using which method the 3 is arranged in this format, that is also you will be knowing. Okay, and the second question is, write the steps to insert header and footer. That we have discussed in this session. So you have to write all the homework. Here you can write the steps. Okay, so see you in the next class. Study well, write down all the steps, mark all the steps in the textbook. I am not giving the steps through the slides, because all the steps are available in the textbook. So you have to mark each points, each steps, while I am discussing the activities here. Okay, so see you in the next class. Take care. Bye.